itong Association of Southeast Asia Nation Economic Minister naman pinagtibay ang koordinasyon at bukas ang nakalakalan sa gitna yan ng krisis sa gitnang silangan. Ang balitang yan, tinutukan ng Star FM Manila.
Binigyang diin ng mga ASEAN Economic Ministers ang kahalagahan ng patuloy na koordinasyon sa rehiyon at pagpapanatili ng bukas na trade at investment sa gitna ng pandaigdigang epekto ng krisis sa Middle East. Sa naganap na 32nd ASEAN Economic Ministers Retreat, tinalakay ang global impact ng tensyon sa gitnang silangan at ang pagkakaroon ng regional resilience upang maging daan sa industrial development ng mga bansa sa Southeast Asia. Kasama rin sa naging mahalagang diskusyon ang mga stratehiyang gagawin ng mga ASEAN member states patungkol sa pagtaas ng mga basic necessities sa gitna ng krisis. Ayon kay Department of Trade and Industry Secretary Cristina Aldeguer-Roque, AEM Chairperson, pagtutuunan nila ng pansin na mapanatili ang presyo ng mga pangunahing bilihin sa bansa.
Able to share the best practices between each country or share what they do in their countries with our country also. So we will continue to develop stronger ties with the ASEAN countries, and we also discussed that with the ASEAN countries together, we are definitely a strong force for contingency measures. No? Nag-uusap pa kami. We're really talking because we were just talking about the oil prices today. The cost is really on the oil and on the logistics. So we have to strengthen also the power. So renewable energy is something that we also talked about. And then how we'll be able to maneuver with this crisis. Yun, napag-usapan din yun. Each and every department, what we have to do or what we need to be able to come up with para we'll be able to keep prices stable. I'll be meeting with a logistics company to see how the effect of the oil is with the logistics company. And on Monday, I'll be meeting with the manufacturing and the different industries. Sa Monday naman po yun. Kasi for now, they have not requested any price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities.
Para sa ASEAN Philippines 2026 update, nag-uulat Star DJ Kimi ng 102.7 Star FM Manila, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!